I've just been slowly working with this guy, creating trust, that I am a trustworthy individual. Yes, right? You can see that his neck is very neutral. He's more curious than anything, which is good. It makes for a difficult video, I understand. But he's a lot less touchy. I do, with my monitors, try to get them used to me touching their tail and them being neutral with it. You can see that he really doesn't care. He's very inquisitive. No, do not go back there. Go that way. Come on. If I move quickly... Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Oh, a little bit. No, nothing. What are you doing? Just letting him explore. You may see the cat. Maybe we'll see his neck puff out. Just being curious. Shoes smell good. He's becoming a very confident dude. We still have moments. Like I said, he's a cat. So sometimes he looks at me like, who the hell are you? But because I've been working with him, I wouldn't recommend, if you haven't really worked with your monitor, standing over them and like trying to pick them up. That is definitely a, oh god, he's got some sharp claws. That is definitely more of a aggressive thing. So, let me see. Just try not to do anything that seems predatorial.